been thinking about investing in cryptocurrency but don't know how or where to start? You're not alone. In 2025, crypto is more accessible than ever before. But for beginners, the process of buying your first Bitcoin or Ethereum can still feel confusing or risky. That's why in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to buy cryptocurrency safely, even if you're a total beginner. From choosing the right exchange to setting up your crypto wallet, I'll explain everything you need to know in plain language. And I'll also give you important security tips so you can avoid common mistakes. First things first, to buy cryptocurrency, you need to use a crypto exchange. Think of an exchange as a website or app that lets you buy and sell cryptocurrencies just like you would buy stocks online. In 2025, some of the most trusted and beginner-friendly crypto exchanges include Coinbase, Kraken, and Bybit. If you're in the United States, Coinbase is often the easiest to use. If you're in other parts of the world, Binance is a popular choice due to its low fees and wide selection of coins. These platforms are regulated, secure, and allow you to use your local currency, like US dollars, Pakistani rupees, or euros, to buy major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many others. To get started, you'll need to visit the official website of the exchange and create an account. It's just like signing up for any other financial app. You'll enter your email, create a strong password, and verify your identity. Most exchanges now require KYC verification. That stands for Know Your Customer, where you upload a picture of your ID or passport and sometimes a selfie. This step protects you from fraud and keeps the platform compliant with laws. Once your account is verified, you can deposit money into your account using different payment methods like a bank transfer, debit card, or even digital wallets like Google Pay and Apple Pay. Bank transfers usually have lower fees, while credit cards are faster but slightly more expensive. Once you have funds in your account, you're ready to buy your first crypto. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. Just search for BTC, enter the amount you want to spend, and press buy. It's that simple. The same process works for our Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, and other coins. But after buying, the next most important step is keeping your crypto safe. This is where crypto wallets come in. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are digital wallets connected to the internet. Examples include Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or even a wallet inside your Binance or Coinbase app. They are easy to use and perfect for everyday transactions. However, because they're online, they are also more exposed to cold wallets. On the other hand, are offline devices like Ledger or Trezor that store your crypto securely without any internet connection. These are perfect for storing large amounts of crypto long-term. If you're investing a serious amount of money, it is best to store your coins in a cold wallet and only keep a small portion in a hot wallet for quick use. While using exchanges, it's also important to understand fees. All platforms charge fees in some form: trading fees, withdrawal fees, or deposit fees. Coinbase is beginner-friendly but has higher fees. Binance offers lower fees but can seem complicated at first. Some platforms even offer fee discounts if you use their native tokens, like being. So always check the fee details before you make frequent trades. Now, some people also buy crypto using peer-to-peer platforms, also called P2P. These let you buy crypto directly from other users. While this can offer better rates and more privacy, it's also riskier. If you're a beginner, it's safer to stick to trusted exchanges unless you fully understand how P2P works. One more important topic: storing your wallet credentials. Every crypto wallet gives you something called a seed phrase, -12 or 24 secret word. This is the master key to your wallet. Never share it with anyone. Don't even type it in your phone or email. If someone gets your seed phrase, they can steal all your crypto. Let's talk about safety. In 2025, crypto scams are still very real. Avoid clicking on links in random WhatsApp or Telegram groups. Don't fall for fake giveaways that say, "Send me 1 Bitcoin and I'll send you 2 back." Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication on all your apps and use official apps and websites, not shady clones. If anything feels suspicious or sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Now, let's quickly review the complete step-by-step process. Step 1. Choose a trusted exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Step 2. Create and verify your account through KYC. Step 3. Deposit money using your preferred method. Step 4. Buy your crypto, whether that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any coin of your choice. Step 5. Move your crypto to a safe wallet, preferably a cold wallet if you're investing a lot. Step 6. Protect your assets with two-factor authentication and never share your seed phrase. Buying crypto in 2025 is much easier than it was just a few years ago. Exchanges are safer, apps are easier to use, and the process is becoming more beginner-friendly every day. But remember, the crypto world rewards knowledge and punishes so take your time to learn. Start small and grow step by step. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto guide. And let me know in the comments, which coin are you planning to buy and which exchange do you prefer to use? I'm here to help answer your questions and support you on your crypto journey. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and happy investing!